tired of you not listening to me, girl.
And I'm tired of you acting like you own me. I can see who I want to see.
It just ain't right you seeing some cholo motherfucker.
Oh, what? A no-good, narrow-minded, hypocrite gangbanger telling me what is right and what is wrong? Let me guess, sweet. Senseless killing right, but a boyfriend from the South Side wrong?
Some things ain't just meant to happen. I mean, what if y'all have kids? Leroy Hernandez? That don't sound good, girl.
His name ain't Hernandez.
Well, Leroy Lopez
or
then.
Lopez either, you racist fuck. That ain't how moms raised us.
I ain't racist. I just know how they feel about you. And look at you. You dress like a hooker.
Oh, and I guess you two would know what a hooker look like, huh?
You say it like it's a bad thing.
Shut up, Carl.
I'm just trying to protect you.
For what? So I can date one of your mindless friends? I don't think so.
Don't say a word, Carl. Just follow your sister before you see another dead sibling. Then you know exactly what my problem is. She's meeting him at some cholo car club.
Locked on Radio Los Santos, because we want to be there too. Check it out, y'all. It's Julio G. Time to get into some depth.
What's your point?
Because they're in the house right about now. Radio Los Santos. This right here is Dre Day. Every day is Dre Day on my show, man. Let's get into it. Dr. Dre, check it.
So you must be Sweet's bro, huh? He phoned ahead, said you might be looking for a car that bounces. Well, I owe him big from way back, so here, this should do the trick. Custom Spring should see you hopping all the way home. Try her out. Very popular with the essays. They compete in these things. You can usually find them over by Unity Station. If you ever want to mod your ride, come back anytime, man.
I shot up stores and I kick down doors. Collecting scars from little neighborhood wars. And if provoked, I let the pistol smoke. Loyal members in a crew now down with the game. Selling nickels and dimes and sunshine or rain. What I have is bad from my super pad. In the first time in my life, no money is dead. Not taking a turn in my life, I got switches. My name is Gucci, I'm on the road to the riches. He eventually bugs, looking for crack and carpets and rocks. It's real like tags, but a deal of still sells. Little sport kids, drunk, all away. Tight on the opposite side, smoking the pipe. In the beast, I got light forms, racks for riches, switches, myths to witches, become stitches, body bags and bitches, bloodshed. I painted the town red, people fled. As I put a dress head in the bed, that means dead. In other words, species, face got erased, rulers got released, funds were planning, the kids were kidnapped. In fact, this was a way to get back at enemies. We're trying to block G's and my block. Now they forever Nazis. Plans and rampages went for ages.
Shit.
Some got knocked and locked inside cages. Some bit the dust, fuck crumbs and crust. In God we trust, now rots for rust. Bust, cats and cops, policeman drops. They blew up.
Watch it, Holmes. All right, the homie, let's see if you got what it takes.
Hey, Tom?
Hey, yo, what's cracking?
You ever visited San Fierro?
Yeah, that's being rich.
Peace, man.
All right, pimp.
What up, homie?
Yo, what's the deal, man?
Los Santos is the illest city in San Andreas.
Yeah, it's great.
You tried that new Clucking Bill?
Yeah, show some promise.
See you, Holmes.
Hey, I'm from the bounce.
Hey, SX.
Hey, homie.
You ever taken out a Gracero?
Yeah, that's being rich.
Later, dude.
Peace out, homie.
Hey, Tom?
Hey, yo, what's cracking?
I hate those Groove Street pendejos.
Yeah, that's total bullshit. pretty good for a beginner, eh?
That shit was all right. Ah! So since when has my brother been a low rider?
Since Sweet told me to keep an eye on you. Make sure that whatever you dating don't get you in no trouble.
¿Qué onda? Nice hopping, Holmes.
Well, you just shook that whatever's hand.
Come here, baby
Hey,
girl.
get your dirty hands off my
Oh,
sister.
what is wrong with you?
Holmes, you're acting like she's your woman, eh? She's with me, cabron. So chill the fuck out. I treat her good.
Look, baby, don't start no shit. Don't make it worse.
Órale, vato.
Okay?
Who's this pendejo?
What? Dickhead? This dickhead is my brother.
Easy, Holmes. He ain't from nowhere. He's cool.
Well, I say he ain't cool, Holmes. I say he thinks he's gangster, man. And I don't like it. So you know what you can do for me, man? You can fuck off, pendejo, and then maybe we cool.
No, you fuck off. I'm talking to my sister.
Carl!
Jose, come on, Holmes. I can handle this. This is important to me.
Órale, pendejo, you lucky. That's right, you lucky Caesar spoken for you. Vámonos, muchachos. Let's get some fucking beer, huh? I'm thirsty.
Carl, what the hell were you thinking?
Look, baby. Go get in the car, okay? I'm gonna speak to Carl. Look, Holmes. I love your sister. I honor her. She's my girl for life. This is why I stopped you from being skinned just then. You got a problem with me? Fine. We don't have to be friends. But Kendall, she's happy with me, carnal.
Yeah, okay. I guess we cool. For now.
Cesar Villalpando.
Carl Johnson. CJ.
Cabron, you got a nice ride there, Holmes. Maybe we'll get to kick it again soon, eh?
Yeah. Maybe.
It'll be smoking while the fire is out. So take your hand off your hips and baby, let's work out. No dating on the wall, no staying around. So